Placing stents just through the wire and not going through the scope is okay for strictures located, for example, in the esophagus or in the distal colorectum. But when there are curves or stomach or floppy intestine, it's much more important to have stability during stent placement, and stents are placed then through the scope and over the wire, as you can see here. So this technique is essential when dealing with malignant small bowel obstruction, as we see here, or with malignant pyloric obstruction, which can be either intrinsic due to primary cancer or also secondary to external compression or metastasis.